Alright, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. It is starting to rain. We're on our way to a outlet mall. There are about 5 outlet malls in Osaka or in the Kansai region, and 3 is by Mitsui company and 2 are by Premium Outlet. And so this one is the smallest one. This one is Mitsui Outlet in Osaka, and it's about maybe 20 minutes from the city center. And then the premium ones, they have more luxury stores, but they're a bit more expensive, I think. Yeah, actually I think all of the outlet malls in Japan, they kind of suck. If you're coming from like a Western country like America, you're gonna be a little bit disappointed. I suggest that you don't go to any of the outlet malls. There's one right near the airport, so if you're going to the airport, there is a Premium Outlet right off the first station, and it's tax-free. But I think it's because like in America you have a lot more stores like Nike. Like they have a lot more Nike stores in America, so they kind of, hey, watch out, they kind of have a lot of you know, like they need somewhere to leave all the stuff that nobody buys. And then like here, there's not that many Nike stores, so they have to like produce stuff to bring to the stores. That's just my theory. So yeah, like if you're shopping in like a Western, like America, there will be a lot of good stuff that you can't resist to buy. But a lot of the outlet products and the stuff in the stores, they're very far from few with good stuff. So usually when we go, we usually never buy anything because there's never good deals. But we wanted to, my girlfriend had to go to the city to drop off something to her friend, so we decided we're just gonna go to this one. We did want to go to the Mitsui in Kobe, but that one was closed, and today is Sunday, so we're on our way right now. The station was Kadoma Minami Station. It's the last one, and I think this dome-like structure is the store. So oh, skyline. So we're on our way right now. All right, it's about to rain soon, so it's kind of good. If we went to Kobe, it's actually, the Kobe one is outdoors, so it would have been good if it was raining, but it looks like it's gonna come down real hard. It looks like a lot of people are coming. All right, here's the parking lot. Wow, look at how busy this place is. I also want to add that Japanese people love outlet malls, so usually a lot of the good stuff is already taken quickly, so you got to go and get it. But this is the place. The reviews weren't that great. So it is outdoor and indoor as well, which is kind of nice. Alright, so this is from the second floor. They got Nike, they got Under Armour, Puma, Columbia, and it looks like it's gonna rain really hard. Actually, it is raining really hard right now. Alright, this is Adidas. Wow, this place is really packed. Alright, you got some sales here. Doesn't look like a big sale. If you buy 4, you get 50% off. Alright, we're going straight to Nike. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's a lot of sales. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty good. I feel like you can get the same prices on seasonal sales at the regular stores, but here's the top view. Alright, this is the Nike store. Look at how, this is the only store that has a long line. Alright, so this line starts here. Then it goes down there, and it snakes all the way over there, and then it goes in there. This is the only store that has a long line like this. Alright, it's been 5 minutes and we're almost there. Alright, so this place is pretty big inside. It's not as big as the other outlet malls, but let's just see what they have in here.
Can I have either style?
I mean, this one is how much? 6,000. All these shoes are about like 4,000. This one's 4,000. It's my size. Got a lot of sizes here, but I don't know about the variety. Yeah, I don't know about the variety. They have nothing like crazy. These aren't too bad. These are 5,000. I might buy a pair of shoes. They got like this little section for 20 bucks for shorts. I think I might buy a pair of shorts. I might not buy any shoes actually. We're gonna go into New Balance. I did buy something at Nike, but I'll show you guys in a second. But I put everything in my backpack, so. Alright, a lot of the shoes are not like ones that people want. Oh, they got some sort of performance going on. Alright, so I think there's someone doing magic. This guy's really serious. They got like a little seating area here. Alright, I'm in the Levi's store. I'm gonna see if there's any kind of, let's just buy two get one free. It's a pretty good deal. These are like 30 bucks. Alright, so we bought some clothes. I'll show you guys later. And then we're just gonna do a little bit more walking around and see what else they have. It stopped raining, but it's still hot and humid. It's pretty cool how it's indoor and outdoor at the same time. They got some Quicksilver. I want to check out this Tommy Hilfiger store over here. I think the prices here are pretty reasonable. They're not too crazy expensive if you like Tommy Hilfiger. They're kind of coming. They're really popular in Japan. Not so much, I don't think, in America. I think they're having a little comeback, but they used to be popular when I was in high school. Alright, so I think we're gonna go to Beams. It's like a Japanese brand that has a lot of more of the expensive clothes, but I want to just check it out. Alright, they got this Dorito shirt for 45 bucks, 30%. It's kind of like, it has like that vintage look, but not really. Yeah, so this store is sometimes, like, most times the stores are like really not affordable, but they have a lot of sales here. Big sales, like 70% off, 20% off, so I'm pretty surprised. Alright, we're just taking a break here, and those magic guys are packing up. I bought some pants, some Levi's pants. These were $30, and we bought 3 shirts, just regular shirts. The two shirts, well, I bought one for myself, my girlfriend bought one for herself. They're both like Levi's, just plain Levi's t-shirts. They're all $30 actually, but if you buy 3 you get 1 item free. So we ended up, it was 30. Well, this was like, yeah, pretty much 30 bucks, like 3,300. And since one was off, one was free, it came out to 6,600. That's with the tax. So I think if you come with a passport, it's also tax-free here. Is it? Mm-hmm. Is it tax-free here? Yeah, so if we didn't live here and we were just visiting, this would have been tax-free, so it would have been another 600 off, right? 10%, right? 10% is the tax. Yeah, so it would have been 600 if we were just visiting. And I just needed some pants for the summer, so I think it was a pretty good deal. They had a lot of good sales there. Alright, and so Nike, they had these old Osaka shirts. I probably won't wear this when I'm in Osaka, but maybe when I'm traveling. I bought 2 of these. They're each, there's another Osaka shirt, and I bought these shorts just for like around the house or running. These shirts were $1,000 each, so it's like $10. These shorts were $2,000, so like 20 bucks. But at this Nike store, if you buy 3 you get 20% off. So I bought 3 of them, so I got 20% off, and I believe I got another 10% off because they asked if I have the app. I can't really read this, but it ended up being 3,197. That's with the tax for all 3 of these, which it should have, I thought it was going to be 3,000, 4,000. It should have been 5,000, which it says here, I think. No, so minus 400, minus 200 for 4, 2, 8, about $16 off. So came out to 3,100. So I was just saying that usually when we go to these outlets, we never buy anything because there's never any good deals. But it seemed like there were a lot of good deals. And I think we'll be going to more of these Mitsui outlets because we always go to the premium outlets, and this is my first time actually at Mitsui, but my girlfriend's been at this location before. But we've always go to the premium outlets. We have premium outlets back home in America, and usually that's where I usually go, and they always have really good stuff on sale. But every time I go to the premium outlets here, they're never anything good on sale. But also too, because they've closed the borders and there's not many Chinese and Korean tourists here, that might be another reason why. I'm not sure. I've never been here before they came here, but a lot of Chinese people like to come here and buy a lot of the good stuff. So, and on top of that, the Japanese people really like the outlets. I think just because it's so expensive at the regular stores because of maybe like import fees and stuff like that. But they're not like I said earlier, they're not everywhere. Where like in America, they have Nike stores. I guess it's the same actually. It's not like they have it everywhere, but I just feel like there's more products in America than here. But I thought even at the Beam store, there were a lot of sales as well, like 50-70% off. And when we go to the premium outlets, we went to the premium outlet in Okinawa, and at that Beam store too, everything was really expensive. So would I recommend coming out here? I mean, I guess on the reviews, people were saying that it's not worth it. There wasn't much food available, just like everybody was complaining. But I think as far as clothes go, if you want like small stuff, it's pretty good. Like I like coming here to get the smalls, like the shorts that you want to wear around the house, some t-shirts that you don't really care about. And yeah, I thought it was pretty good. So I think we're pretty much done. This place is not that big. There's only a small selection of stores, so I think we're gonna head home in a bit. All right, so I didn't show you guys us going into the Champion store because we just kind of went in and we didn't think that we're gonna buy anything, but everything was 30% off at the store, so that was a really good deal, a really good sale. So I bought this you get 3 t-shirts for 2,500, but it was 30% off, so I got it for 1,925. So about $20 for 3 shirts. And I bought an extra large because in Japan you should go one size up. So if you're a large back home, it should be like an extra large. But usually I should be a medium back home actually, because large is pretty big in America. But also yeah, I didn't get to see the size, so I want to make sure what it looks like inside too. So yeah, can you show? I just want to make sure it's the right size. But I think people don't realize that Champion is, I think they have like 2 separate lines, because in America Champion you can get it at Walmart and like at the small shops, but in Japan Champion is kind of expensive. I think because it's like American brand, it's more expensive here, kind of like Dickies. I don't know if you guys know Dickies. Dickies is kind of like the cheaper workwear clothes in America, but in Japan they're so expensive, only because I think they're American made. Also Hanes is also a little bit more expensive as well, and Hanes in America you can just find them anywhere. So I'm all about the deals. I want to make sure I get a good deal everywhere. So hopefully this is the right size. This was the last extra large as well. I got issues opening up packages. Drop the receipt. It's a little big. I think it's okay though. We got a little Champion logo here. I think it's a pretty good deal. You get $20 for pretty much 3 good quality American made t-shirts. I think it's a pretty good deal. All right, so overall I'm surprised I bought anything because again, every time we go to these outlet stores, there's never anything to buy or they're too expensive and it's not a good deal. I think it's only because we've been going to the premium outlets. Like back home, when I go to the premium outlets, I feel so obligated. I mean, not obligated, but I feel so pressured to buy a lot of the clothes because they have a lot of good deals. But here, usually you have to go at the right times. Usually like during the winter time, when it's like maybe like during Christmas, they have really good deals. Maybe during like I don't really know because we don't go that often, but we went during Christmas and they had some good deals. They had the Adidas 3D printed shoes for like pretty much like 80 bucks, and those shoes were going like hotcakes. But yeah, you really have to go at the right times. But I noticed that at this one today, it's really good for like all the small stuff like t-shirts, underwear, you know, like pants. But if you want to like buy the really big stuff, like if you want to buy a Gucci backpack or a Prada backpack or like the really expensive stuff, it's better to go to the premium outlets. So again, there's only 2 types in this Kansai region, or maybe in Japan, which is the premium outlets and Mitsui. In Kansai area, there is 3 Mitsui outlets and 2 premium outlets. And the premium outlets is pretty good. They have really they have a lot of good luxury brands, but usually there's never good deals. Every time we've been to the premium outlets, we've been to like we've been to Rinku Town as well. I think I vlogged about it once on Rinku Town, and we didn't buy anything, right? Did we buy anything when we went to Rinku Town? No, right? No, we didn't buy anything. And that place had a lot of stores, but just a lot of stuff, there wasn't any good deals. So I feel pretty happy. I got a lot of stuff. I'm pretty surprised about so many things today, but I hope you enjoyed coming along with us. And maybe if you ever come visit Japan, maybe you can visit the Mitsui outlet. This is actually the smallest one, so I think the Kobe one is going to be a lot better from the reviews. But I also, again, a lot of the reviews were kind of saying that it sucked. So I can kind of see it if you're coming from America, or if you're coming from like a Western country maybe, and you come here and you're probably going to be really disappointed because there's a lot better selection back home. So the reviews were really mixed. It was like 50-50, even at the other one, the Kobe one as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, this place is only like maybe 20 minutes from Namba, so if you're ever in town, you can check it out. If not, it's okay. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please look out for future videos, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. This is the Rack Tab Dome. I don't know what they do in here.